Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve fundraising events with GiveLively detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your fundraising goals. Define the specific amount of money you aim to raise. Determine the purpose of your fundraising event. Choose a date and venue that accommodates your audience size. Ensure the venue aligns with the theme of your event. Create a compelling event name that resonates with potential donors. Next, develop a detailed event plan. Outline the activities and schedule for the event day. Decide on a fundraising model, such as ticket sales or donations. Utilize GiveLively's platform to create an event page. Sign up for a free account on GiveLively if you haven't already. Customize your event page with engaging visuals and descriptions. Set clear donation tiers to encourage giving at different levels. Incorporate storytelling elements to connect with potential donors emotionally. Promote your event through social media and email campaigns. Use GiveLively's tools to integrate your fundraising link into promotional materials. Reach out to local businesses for sponsorship or in-kind donations. Consider providing incentives for larger donations, like recognition or exclusive access. On the day of the event, ensure you have a reliable internet connection. Set up a check-in desk for attendees using GiveLively's features. Keep track of donations in real time through the platform. Engage your audience with live updates about fundraising progress during the event. Encourage attendees to share their experiences on social media. After the event, follow up with all participants and donors. Send personalized thank you messages to acknowledge their support. Review the success of your fundraising efforts by analyzing the data from GiveLively. Identify areas for improvement for future events. Celebrate your achievements with your team and supporters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.